y'all, so today I'm going to make you some shrimp and grits. These are all my ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to just go ahead and jump right into it. I would normally use some Old Bay, but I don't have any, so this is going to be one of the seasons I'm using right now. And my shrimp is already peeled, washed. So start by what I'm going to do is actually check on my bacon. So I'm going to chop up my sausage. You can use whatever type of sausage you want. Just Italian sausage. Now I'm going to start my pan, heat my pan up. I'm going to use some olive oil. And once that's heated up, just sprinkle some olive oil on it for my vegetables, to cook my vegetables in. Once that's heated up, I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put all of my veggies up in here. Let those start cooking. You want to cook it down until they're soft. So I'm going to put these in, let them start cooking for a little while. And then I'm going to add my sausages. And then I'll add my shrimp. So I have my vegetables and, a little bit of the sausages too. While I have that cooking, I have my water boiling for the grits. And also what I'm going to do is go ahead and crumble up my bacon. need some biscuits with ours, so I'm going to use the Pillsbury Grand's Flaky Layers Sweet Hawaiian flavor. And so I still have my veggies on. My water's boiling for my grits. And I'm going to go ahead and put my biscuits on. And the oven is still at 350 from when I had my bacon on. I'm going to use some Pam, the butter flavored, and just spray down. Spray it down. Alright, so I'm going to put that in the oven and I'm going to let it bake for about 15 minutes. So now that my veggies are softened, I'm going to add my sausages here. Give them a little stir. Alright, so I'm going to let them cook. And now that they're cooked, I'm going to go ahead and start, while I'm letting those cook, I'm going to go ahead and start on my grits. The water has come to a boil. If you get any lumps in your grits, you want to make sure you get those out. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. Got some golden biscuits. Once I feel like they're cooked enough, I'll add my seasoning to it, butter and cheese. Right, so now that I have my sausage and veggies done, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my my shrimp. I'm actually using the same skillet. Yeah, it has some olive oil, so it's a lot of juices still in here from the sausage and the veggies. That was probably too much butter, but oh wow. Okay, now that my butter is melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. I actually added a little bit of some lemon pepper as well. Now let's see. Alright, so once my grits look a little thick, a little too thick, I'll start adding my butter, my cheese, and my seasoning. And we like a lot of butter. And cheese as well, so I don't know how many slices of cheese I'm about to add, but just into my liking. So I'm going to use American white cheese and American just the yellow cheese. slices of cheese of the white and the yellow American, and I'm just gonna stir it just to see if I'm gonna want more, because I like mine to be cheesy and thick. And also you'll notice that by me adding the cheese and the butter that now the grits don't look too like too thick. They look more creamy now. And I'll probably end up, yeah, I think I'm gonna end up adding more slices of cheese. Like I said, we gotta have a lot of butter and cheese in our grits. Yeah, so they're starting to look a lot more creamier than what I just showed you before I added the cheese and butter in. I was supposed to add some garlic, but I actually forgot. So I'm going to add just a little bit. Not too much. And also during this step, you want to make sure you turn the stove down. So my shrimp is pretty much done. I'm going to use this here. It's my first time. It's be my first time using it. I'm hoping it's not going to be a mistake. But as you can see, it's juice, which is gonna, this is thick, so it's gonna thinning it up. And I'm just gonna pour some of this on here, and it's gonna be like my sauce for my shrimp. Now that that's in there, I'm gonna add my sausage and veggies back into the skillet. And also my bacon. I'm just gonna stir this all up. I actually wanted it a little bit more juicier, so I'm just gonna add. I think I'm just gonna add some water to it. Just add a little water to it. Alright, so I turned my stove off now, and I did add a little water just to make it just a little bit more juicier. Alright, so that's all done. I got my biscuits done. My grits are done. Alright. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and clean all this mess up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.